In the previous demo, I used smart rotations on just 2 boxes, and I want to push that a step further to show you how it can really help with compositional arrangements, especially when you have multiple objects to rotate. So I'm going to go to File and Open, Chapter 3, Folder 14, using Smart Rotations, and Smart Rotation Guides. Okay, so in this layout, I'm not going to change the font. This is not a demo on fonts anyway, so I'll just close that. Okay, I'm concerned with these 4 boxes. I want them at an angle. So I'm going to click with my black arrow, make sure I'm on the center reference point here, because that's going to rotate from the center. And when I go out to the upper right corner, near the corner, not on the corner, but just outside, I get a bent arrow for rotations. Now I'm going to click and drag and rotate this, and I'm not even going to pay attention to the angle, even though, okay, technically it's like 16 degrees, okay? But if I wasn't paying attention to that number, I can still make these 3 match. Click and drag, and now watch that little brown line. When I match 16 degrees, they will both light up in green. I'm green, I'm good to go. They match. Click on the next one, rotate, oops. Click on this box, there we go. Rotate, and now all 3 of them light up green. They all match that 16-degree angle. Click on the 4th one, rotate, and now all 4 are lighting up with green using Smart Rotation Guides. Now I've got that sense of consistency. If I hit Command Z, Command Z, Command Z, Command Z, I can't select them all and rotate, because if I do, here's what's going to happen. Click, Shift, click, Shift, click, Shift, click. And here's my rotation field. If I highlight that and start hitting the up arrow for 16 degrees, it's going to rotate them all like one big column that's falling over, and that's not what I wanted. Because now this is going right off the page, this is running into the type, so I can't do it that way. So I'm going to hit that down arrow to make them all come back down to 0 there. I got to do them one at a time. Click, drag, click, drag. Now they're both green. Click, drag. Now all 3 are green. Click, drag. And now all 4 are the same. That is using Smart Rotation Guides when you want that consistent look in your designs.